In this video, I will provide you with some simple math to figure out the amount of concrete you will need for walkways with 90-degree angles. So this would be a 90-degree square corner. Now, the first thing you will need to do to simplify everything will be to create rectangles or squares. It's going to be a lot easier to figure out the length of a rectangle than it will be to figure all of this stuff here out. And these lines can be drawn in either way. You can just, as long as you're coming straight across here, as long as you got a nice rectangle with 90-degree corners. So each one of these corners will have a 90-degree angle. So this line can actually be erased and moved from here to here. And we can see here we have a line. The longer part is going through, the smaller part. Here we have the smaller part going through, and then the longer part going over here. So what we have with that, that'll give us simple areas that we can split apart to figure the concrete. Now we also will need to either round up or round down on these numbers. Here we have 30 foot 4 1/8. I went ahead and made this 30 foot 5 inches. And remember, this piece right here is this section. We're no longer using the 33 foot point here. We are using the 30 foot. And then over here we have 5 foot 3 3/8, 3 foot wide, and that gives us 5 foot 4. We round that up. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the math on this. We have 3 foot wide sidewalk. That is 30.5, and we can use the same decimals down here. Like I said, let's just say that you have something that is 30 foot 8 inches. Just simply use this formula here to figure out the 8 inches. And maybe I'll go ahead and on the next section, go ahead and do the entire formula so that you can have it. You won't have to do any math. Make it even easier for you. So 3 foot wide, 30.42, 30 foot 5 inches. We come here for 5 inches, we get 0.42. 4 inches deep, 3 times 30, 0.42 times 0.33 gives us 30.12 cubic feet for this section here. Right here, that does not include this section. 30.12 divided by 27, 1.2 cubic yards just for this section. The next piece that we will need to figure will be this one, 5 foot 4, the overall length. Remember, we're going all the way across here, 3 foot wide, 3 foot, 5 foot 4 inches, 4 inches deep, 3 times 5.33, we go to 4 inches, and then again, we don't just have to look at the inches deep. I'm just breaking the inches down into decimals here for you. 4 inches, 0.33. 5.33 is 5 foot 4 inches as a decimal. Times 0.33 of the 4, 5.3 cubic feet. 5.3 divided by 27, 0.20 cubic yards. And again, here's the chart here that I made for you. If we add the 1.12, which is the cubic yards for this one here, to the 0.20 for the cubic yards here, then we will need 1.32 cubic yards for these, or for this sidewalk here. To figure the other sidewalk, again, just take the length here, 19 foot 2 inches. Here we have 6 foot 6. We can round that up to 6 foot 7 or down to 6 foot 6. 3 foot 6, we can make this 3 foot 7 inches. They're 3 foot wide, and simply follow the same process that we used for this sidewalk here, and then you will add the two numbers together and you will have the amount of concrete you need for these two walkways. So again, these are for walkways with 90-degree corners. not 45 degree or 10 degree corners. And again, I will try to make another video for you on different shapes also. Now, I kind of wanted to throw this out there. Let's just say that you had a walkway like this. You can actually see where you can divide it up into rectangles like we have here. And then use this to figure out how much concrete you need for whatever walkways you have with a 90-degree angle. So anyway, that is it for this video. Hope it makes sense. If it doesn't, leave your questions in the comment area and I will try to figure out what in the heck you're missing and maybe do another video.